Today we're testing my original rail slider prototype at Bryce Canyon National Park. Interested? Here we go.
So this is a perfect example of a railing in a site that I'm trying to accomplish with this slider. So it goes on the railing like this. So then you just turn it on. And this allows you to take a nice smooth transition picture. Just pushing up against the railing with the wheels.
I came up with this prototype design because I wanted to take a slider and not have to carry all the extra track with me. And I noticed as I went around to national parks and other places, these rails were just sitting there ready to be used. So I took advantage of it and it worked great.
And then you can just easily change the angle, and you're just putting a little bit of pressure and letting the slider do all the work.
I'll be the first one to admit that some of these first couple runs are rather shaky. It takes a little time to get used to this whole slider concept. I found that using trees and bushes in the foreground really kind of draws interest into the whole video. And as I used this slider rig more and more during this 2-week trip, I found I got comfortable with it and the videos were getting better. On this video, I'm also playing with the lighting, trying to adjust the slider videos for contrast and brightness. We had full blue sky days for most of this trip, and as you change the angle of the camera, it affects the tone and color of the video. Here's another great rail opportunity for a long slide. Other design criteria for this build: it had to be cheap, easy, portable, something that you could put in carry-on luggage without TSA getting all concerned about it. And I was able to achieve all those objectives with this project.
And it really is working much better than I even anticipated. Thumbs up and comments always appreciated. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for videos where I've actually used this camera rig. Coming soon.